All right, guys, what's going on? We're going to talk about the difference in the variations of Olympic lifts, okay? So basically what I'm talking about is we have cleans and we have snatches. And there are variations of those two movements. So a clean, getting the bar from the floor onto my shoulders, a snatch, getting the bar from the floor to overhead, okay? You have different names of versions, variations of them, such as a power clean, a hang power clean, a squat clean, a muscle clean, and then the same thing for snatches. Power snatch, hang power snatch, squat snatch, muscle snatch, okay? Basically the variations are referencing either where the bar starts when you do the movement or where your body ends when you're finished with the movement, okay? So they're the same variations for both movements. So whether it's a clean or a snatch, I'm gonna use a clean as the example, but it works for the snatch as well, okay? So when we talk about a clean, and here's another guideline to think about, okay? In most cases, particularly in the CrossFit environment, if it does not specify the type of clean or the type of snatch, then you make two assumptions, okay? One, it will always start from the floor. The default starting position of an Olympic lift is from the floor, okay? The second assumption that you can make, unless it specifies, is that you do not have to squat when you finish the rep, okay? You do not have to do a squat clean unless it specifically says a squat clean. You can do a hang, you can do a power, you can do a squat, or you can do a muscle. Completely up to you. You'll understand that a little bit more as I go through the video, okay? So let's just talk about a clean. When you start a clean, okay, we're assuming, you know what, I'm gonna put some weights now. We're assuming that we're starting with the bar on the floor. Pretend that I have plates on here, okay? So the bar's resting on the floor. This is the starting position of the clean. Okay, if I just do a clean, unspecified, it just says clean. It doesn't matter how I get the bar to my shoulders. I need to get the bar to my shoulders. That's all that matters, okay? But the starting position is from the floor, okay? Clean, starting position from the floor. I just did a power clean, right? If I do a squat clean, start from the floor, squat all the way down. If I do a muscle clean, from the floor every time. Unless it specifies something other, it always comes from the floor, okay? The only other specification is gonna be some variation of a hang, okay? Starting positions are either from the floor or from the hang. So if I do a hang clean, it's gonna start right above the knees. Hang starts right above the knees. I'm hanging. The bar is hanging in the air. Then I finish. Hang muscle clean. Hang power clean. Hang squat clean. Okay? So the differences, go over the difference again. A regular clean, if I do a squat clean from the floor, squat when I catch it, then stand up. Okay? A hang squat clean, same thing, but I'm starting from the hang. Squat when I catch it. Okay? You're noticing the difference in the catch position, right? So there's squat, there's power from the floor, power clean. Because I didn't say hang, it starts from the floor. Hang power clean. From the hang, power. The power position means anything over a squat as long as I'm not standing completely up. Okay? Muscle clean. Doesn't say hang, so I start from the floor. Boom. Stand through it. Hang muscle clean. From the hang, stand up, not dropping under the bar. Okay? Those are the basic variations. Okay, remember, the starting position, if it's not specified, is always the floor. The only change you're gonna have to the starting position is if it says hang, and in that case, it starts above the knees, okay? The other three variations have to do with where you catch the bar. You either catch the bar in a squat, you catch it in a power position, or you catch it standing tall, which means you're muscling through, and that's the muscle position, okay? Squat, power, muscle, okay? Those are the combinations. Two variations for where you start the bar, 3 variations for where you finish and catch the weight, okay? If you have any questions about that, as always, post a question, I'll get back to you. If you have recommendations or suggestions on other videos you'd like to get more information and clarification on, just let me know.